Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about health promotion education plan and our topic is nutrition needs, risk and aging. There are three candidates in our group, me, Sakshi and Krina. So let's get into it. First topic is introduction. Why nutrition is important in our lifespan. For many of us, nutrition simply means maintaining healthy weight, but it is beyond that. Good nutrition can help for our immunity, in blood pressure and cholesterol reducing, and reduce the risk of non-communicable disease such as diabetes, stroke, some cancer, cardiovascular disease and osteoporosis. So our target audience is age group of 65 and older. So this community, also known as the final stage of normal lifespan, and we also know it as a senescence. Reason for choosing seniors for nutrition lifespan. Seniors are most vulnerable to its health impact of COVID-19 viruses, which include higher risk of hospitalization, death, and health complication. Since they are more likely to live alone or in an institute, public health measures limiting social interaction also put seniors at greater risk of social isolation. Between the end of March 2022 and 2021, senior age 65 and over are 64% of excess death and 93% of the deaths attributed to COVID-19 that are described in Statistics of Canada 2021. And other reasons that may causes the death or the health complications are osteoporosis, diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular disease. So, our health plan mainly include meal guidance, guidance from healthcare support workers, activities to reach out, funding, and the last step is survey of 50 seniors that we will provide them meal services, healthcare plans, and daily activities through which we can develop their health plan or the health at a great extent so they can improve from their disease. And the meal guidance include each meal should include plenty of vegetables and fruits that we can see on the chart as well. Whole grain foods that are whole pasta, brown rice, oats, etc. Protein rich food that are eggs, red meat, beans, fortified soy beverages, seafoods, lower fat dairy products such as milk and yogurt. One of the main reasons for not eating well in a old age group are like they are not capable of doing shopping by themselves because they are physically weak and they don't know about the online delivery apps as well. So we can give them guidance or seminar. So how can they do online delivery options such as Instacart, Walmart delivery, etc. Due to loneliness, they suffer from the loss of appetite. Their eating habit also decrease, and introducing them and lunch groups or family gathering, creating an emergency food supply where they can get the protein rich food, nutrients dense food, and all. Guidance from healthcare support workers. With the help of nutrition manager, doctors, and retired dietitian, collect and conclude meal plan to prove health nutrition meal that meet daily requirements of senior citizens. Weekly seminar can also help them to gain the guidance from health specialists for the healthy living of seniors. Activities to reach out. We will make presentation after gathering information from the healthcare workers. Engage them into different activities such as exercise, yoga, and some games that may include reading, writing, and some drawing or etc. So they can engage them into other activities with their friends and families. Their good physical and mental well-being in retirement home, long-term care or hospital. This is our pamphlet that can highlight the points that we we are going to discuss in our presentation or applicable for our healthcare plan. And the last step include survey of 50 senior citizens to whom we will provide meal services, healthcare plans and daily activities. So we can compare the medical history and current medical status, blood checkups, blood pressure, blood glucose level, and lastly, bone density and body mass index. Conclusion of our survey. Analysis of our healthcare education plan after 6 months of time period. All this comparison will provide information how the nutrition had impacted on health of senior citizen. If the gain result is positive, we will continue this project on larger scale. However, if the result is unfavorable than expected, then we will work on our errors and short outcomes and how we can develop it more significantly so we can gain positive impact. And these are our references. Thank you.